Hey there, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today's quick tip is a game changer. Learn how to add a helpful message to your Excel drop-down list. This tip will keep your data clean and users informed. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you're creating a list of departments in a company. In column A, you have employee names. In column B, you want to select their department from a drop-down. Here's your list of departments in column D. Now select the cells in column B where you want the drop-down. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Data tab. Then click on Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. Then, in the source box, select the department list D2 to D6. Click OK, and boom! You've got a working drop-down list. Now here comes the magic. Let's add a helpful message that shows when someone clicks on the drop-down cell. With the same cells selected, go back to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. This time, click the Input Message tab. Check Show Input Message when cell is selected. Then, type a clear title and message. In the title box type, select Department. Now click inside the input message field and type, please choose a department from the list. Sales, Marketing, Finance, HR, or IT. Now, let's make sure users can't enter anything outside the list. Click the Error Alert tab. Make sure Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered is checked. Choose Stop as the style. Then add your custom message. Set title as Invalid Entry. In the message box type, please select a department from the drop-down list only. Click OK. Now test it. When you click a drop-down cell, your helpful message pops up automatically. Now try typing something random like logistics into the cell. Excel will block it and show your custom error message. This way, anyone using your sheet knows exactly what to do. No confusion, no bad entries. And that's it. You've just made your Excel drop-down smarter and more user-friendly in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, leave a comment below with your favorite Excel tip. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel hacks that make life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.